I'm going to prepare this for some resin art of some sort. I don't know what yet. I'll be inspired as I go. I'm going to start with cellophane. This is from a roll of cellophane. And I want you to see the difference between a sheet that is right off the cellophane roll versus when you crinkle it up, okay? Look at the difference. So I just want to point that out. So I want it nice and wrinkled. I'm going to put down a layer of clear glue. This is just Elmer's clear glue. So I'm going to see if I can cut it now. It's probably just going to be easier to let it dry and then cut it. So I think I'm just going to wait several hours and then come back and cut it. I might put another layer, I'm not sure. That would be kind of pretty though, wouldn't it? Okay, so I'm going to put it aside to dry and then I'll cut away the edges. Okay, so I've let this sit overnight. I'm going to cut away the best I can the edges. I think it actually says opal on my Amazon link, but here it has, you know, different color tones. It kind of comes across as pinky. But then, as you can see, it has a blue-green, it has a rainbow of colors. It's really cool. And I crunched up a couple of layers and cut around the edges and glued it in. And so, you know, there's some loose parts, but the resin is going to go in and seal it all in. I also took a razor knife and just cut some holes in the cellophane just to make sure that the resin can go in and under if it needs to. I'm going to use counterculture like I have been. I'm just about out. Medium viscosity artist resin, and I'm going to mix, I don't know, about 14 ounces or so, and I'm going to use probably an ounce or so on the top coat of these coasters. But I thought, why not keep with the Christmas theme? That was not my original intent. This is a metal tray, and I was going to do something different, but I thought it'd be cool to just make it Christmassy feeling. I'm going to use some faux snow. I've got in a cup here. I'm going to use Laura's Art Corner. These are her chrome silver plated glass chunks here. So they're silver. I thought that would be pretty. And I'm going to use that Christmas confetti I got from Michael's that is cellophane, just like this, and then it's got red chunks of cellophane paper as well. And then, you know, if I decide to sprinkle, oh, I could do some glitter too. I'm also going to be using Resin, and this is Sassy Red, and Laura's Art Corner sells that. She said it's the most vibrant red pigment paste out there for resin. I should have used it on these, but didn't think about it then. So I have some glitter, and I may use some red glitter. Who knows? we're just gonna have fun with this. But I'm gonna put my respirator on, and as I mix and heat it and do it and everything, and I'm not gonna talk during the video because I want to be safe and keep my health. So just have fun watching. I'm gonna mix it up, then I'll turn the video back on. Okay, I'm taking my mask off long enough just to talk. I've had some leftovers that I put in a heart and a little snowflake. I had a iridescent snowflake I stuck in the middle, and then I'm just trying to weight it down so it doesn't float up. Then I did also add some Macro Pearl by Pearl X into the red to give it a little shimmer. And I'm going to just kind of let it set up, and then I'm going to put another coat of resin over it to make it all nice and smooth on top, so that you could, you know, serve cookies or chips or have candles, and everything would be nice and flat and level. So I'm just going to let this set up. Well, I can't put that there because then I can't cover. I need something that's heavy, that's short. I will use Christina Welch's Porridge Posse. It's heavy condensed paint in a jar. I'll use that for the weight. I had fun with this. It wasn't anything like what I intentionally started out to do. It wasn't going to be Christmas themed at all, but that just seemed to kind of go with the flow of what I was working on already. So, and I sprayed alcohol. You can spray alcohol instead of using heat to get rid of bubbles, even though I don't see bubbles, but that's a good way just to get rid of bubbles, is just a little dash of alcohol squirt in. These crystal rocks of Laura's Art Corner are really pretty. They really sparkle around the edge. I'm hoping that red won't creep over too much. Did y'all like my black and green glove? Hey, and my camera is crooked. I had one black glove left. I was like, I gotta use it. Scoot that out of the way, and I'll cover this with something else. Just something to keep stuff from falling down. That was a little painting. Someone asked me to send them a video on how to paint trees. So if you ever need a quick little tutorial on how to paint something, I don't charge much of anything, and I can make a personal video just for you. So I will be back in a little while.